So you've been using your iOS 18 device and you're noticing that your iPhone is going completely offline out of nowhere. This happens for many reasons, but it happens very suddenly. You will be using your phone and then you realize that even when logging into iCloud from anywhere besides your phone, your iPhone isn't showing up on the list. You even try accessing it from your iPhone and it just keeps loading without letting you do anything. Even worse, your phone becomes unusable because you try to use apps that use an internet connection to work and they just crash every single time. You can't text, you can't call, you can't go online. Your phone virtually disappears from servers entirely. Only offline apps work. With all of these issues in mind, we are here to offer you some potential solutions. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco and in today's video we're talking about what causes your iPhone to go completely offline randomly and how to potentially fix this issue. Please make sure to subscribe because there's still lots more content to come with new fixes to new problems. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Why does your iPhone randomly go offline with iOS 18? There are a few reasons why your iPhone goes offline randomly when using your iOS 18 device, as this has been a very problematic software release for some people. So let's talk about just that. Wi-Fi and cellular problems. Some users report their phones losing network access after the update. This can stem from incorrect carrier settings or switching between dual SIM lines. Overheating issues. If your iPhone gets too hot, sometimes it will completely disable network access until it cools, which means that sometimes it can take a while to reach comfortable temperatures that will re-enable your connections. iOS 18 is very buggy. This one is pretty clear because there are lots of issues that people come across with an iOS 18 all of the time. I, myself, have experienced lots of issues, and when I'm disconnected from my network and service providers out of nowhere, it can be extremely frustrating. VPN or APN conflicts. If a VPN is enabled, it could interfere with network connections, especially when routing through restricted regions. Disabling the VPN temporarily might restore connectivity. Similarly, incorrect APN settings can disrupt cellular data, and reconfiguring them may help. Part 2. Here's how to fix the issue of your iPhone going offline randomly. We've got 4 methods to go through in order to fix the issue of your iPhone randomly going offline after updating to iOS 18. Method number 1. Force restarting your iPhone. This method is very simple and can easily fix many issues that revolve around bad cache or an overload of cache on your device that could resolve themselves with a trusty restart. This is how you can do it easily. You have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and press the sleep wake button for a few seconds. You have to do these very quickly. Press this button until your phone shuts itself off and restarts. You will know that it's restarting when you see the Apple logo. That's when you can let go. Once you're back at the home screen, just navigate your phone to see if you got a connection again. You can text, call, visit an online app of any kind, and check if you're connected to iCloud. If any of these check out, then you should be good to go from there. Method number 2. Reset your carrier settings. This one takes slightly more digging, but it's very effective. This method will allow your carrier settings to refresh and settle back in with your iOS 18 iPhone. Sometimes there are lots of conflicts between versions of iOS that don't always transfer over cleanly, which creates these conflicts with your network settings. Follow these steps to take care of that easily. Enter the Settings app, go to the General section, then scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. This flushes out all of your Wi-Fi passwords and settings, as well as cellular settings, back to default. So follow through, enter your PIN, and then wait for it to finish. Once it's done, reconnect to everything going back to settings, and tap on cellular to turn it back on if it's off. It will connect on its own to your cellular network from there. Also, make sure to connect back to your Wi-Fi connections too. Then check to make sure you can access all of your services as intended. Method number 3. Update your iPhone through iTunes. This method will allow you to update your iPhone directly through iTunes. This is a very simple process, but this one only works on Windows because iTunes is Windows exclusive at this time. You're going to want to update your iPhone through iTunes because it reinstalls iOS 18 for you, which already refreshes your system and could flush out many bugs that aren't so persistent for most people, including these connection issues. So follow these steps to get this done. Plug in your iPhone to your PC, then hit Trust on your iPhone when notified. open iTunes on your computer. Tap on the phone icon on the top bar, but if it's not showing yet, just give your phone a few more seconds to communicate with your computer properly. Once you're in, you might be asked to either update or restore your iPhone. If so, just click on Update, then just wait for it to finish, and your iPhone should restart back into iOS 18, hopefully without that network bug still there. Method number 4. Use Wondershare Dr.Fone. One of the top tools I recommend for fixing this issue is Wondershare Dr.Fone. The software will also allow you to reinstall iOS 18 onto your iPhone, as sometimes iTunes might not work for some people. Dr.Fone can help repair your iPhone system without losing any data. The best part is that Dr.Fone provides 2 repair modes to tackle different levels of issues. First, Standard Mode handles most common iOS problems like not having any form of network access out of nowhere. For more complex issues, Advanced Mode digs deeper and performs a thorough scan to repair more serious system errors. Furthermore, Dr.Fone allows users to upgrade or downgrade their iOS versions without the need for iTunes. So let's give this a method a shot. Now start by installing Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer and launch it. Then simply click the Toolbox tab located in the left panel from its main interface. Moving on, select the System Repair feature. Link your iOS 18 device to your computer in order to repair this issue. Once successfully connected, select the iPhone option located in the Select Your Device Type section. Next, press iOS Repair on the screen, and then choose the Standard Repair mode from the following screen that appears. Following this, you need to put your iOS device into recovery mode. Once you do that, click the Enter Recovery Mode button to start detecting the correct firmware for your iPhone. The next screen will show you several firmware options, and you can pick one to download and use to fix this issue. As the firmware is installed, click the Repair Now button to start the repair process. You'll see a loading screen while the repair is taking place. After the repair is complete, the final screen will say Repair Complete prompt. At this point, you can click the Done button to finish this process. Now here's a quick bonus. Back up your data and do a full restore. If Standard Mode didn't work, let's use Advanced Mode instead. Now, this mode will delete all of your data, which means that you will need to back up your data. As you don't have access to iCloud because of this issue, Dr.Fone's own backup service will allow you to back up your important data locally onto your Mac or PC. So let's look at how to back up your data first. Download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone through the link in the description. Connect your iPhone to your computer. From here, click on Phone Backup. Then you can select which types of data you'd like to back up. Choose everything you'd like. There are going to be many options shown on screen. And tap on Backup Now when you're ready. Just wait for it to finish. Once done, you can access the backup by tapping on the name of your device below Phone Backup. You will notice a Restore to Device button there too, so you can use this later if you need to, but for now this will remain safely on your computer. Now you have to use Advanced Mode to take care of things if Standard Mode didn't work for you. So click on the Toolbox tab in the Dr.Fone software. Click on System Repair. Now tap on iPhone, then iOS Repair. Just tap on Advanced Mode. From there, Dr.Fone will give you every instruction that you need to follow. So just wait for it to finish and you can set up your iPhone afterwards like normal. You can also restore your data from the backup section of Dr.Fone as we showed you earlier. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. Let us know in the comments if the solution worked for you, and if it hasn't, then tell us which phone breaking bugs you've been encountering and include any of your questions down below as well. Like our video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on when a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.